Welcome back to Let Us Learn to Lead video series on free open source software designed by M. Srinivasan, Training Associate Mathematics, Kendra Vidyalaya Sangathan, Zonal Institute of Education and Training, Mumbai. Self-learning contents in video form on GeoGebra, dynamic mathematics software is presented at this video series. To view the contents, you may join Google Classroom by using the class code 73AUMBO. In this video, you will learn designing worksheet to visualize triangular pyramid. For preparing this video lecture, I used Windows 10 operating system, a licensed version, GeoGebra 5.0, a free open source software, and free open source screen recorder software. Let us start. Let me show you what type of worksheet we will be preparing. We will tell them what do you mean by a pyramid. We will tell them that what do you mean by a triangular pyramid, and we will try to draw the triangular pyramid with a given height. Okay, then we can tell them that it has a triangular base and all. Now you can rotate it and then show it to the children also. Now the child can visualize it, how many base, what is the base and what are the three triangular faces, how many vertices it has, how many edges it has. Okay, all of them they can visualize it also. There is one more option here to rotate it as per your convenience. Okay, well. Now, apart from that, we can tell them that what is the surface area and what is its volume, and area of all the faces you can tell them, and surface area you can tell them, and you can tell them the volume also. Okay, not only that, we are talking about the net. Now, there is one option here to tell the net of it also. Suppose if you are telling that this is a net, you see, the child can come and visualize the net of this triangular pyramid also. Okay, now let us try to visualize this dynamic worksheet, design it from the scratch. For that, I have taken GeoGebra Classic 5 worksheet. I have taken geometry view, and in the option I have taken labeling of new points and rounding up to 1 decimal place. It is enough. Okay, as usual, we will start with the heading. The heading is triangular pyramid. Okay, then we can explain what is a pyramid, how it is defined, and it is a three-dimensional view. Good. Now again we can define what is a triangular pyramid. Okay, that also we can define. Well, okay, now I will try to activate navigation bar so that one after the other it will come. Okay, all of you know it. Okay, we will start now. We will start with one triangle. We will draw the triangle. Good, we'll draw a triangle. Now this triangle will become the base, and you can change it also. Therefore we cannot call it as a irregular pyramid, but it is a triangular pyramid. Okay, well, now we need the height. For that we are having a slider, and we can call it as integer. You can name it as height, or simply h or height, whatever you want. Height from 1 to maybe we'll have up to 10 with increment as 1. Okay, now we got this triangular base. Now we have to convert it into a pyramid. For that, go to this view, start the 3D graphics. Okay, you are seeing on the right side a three-dimensional graphics are already started. When you click in this, then you will get the toolbox of two-dimensional will open. When you click it, then you are seeing that the tools of all the three-dimensional will open. Here two-dimensional tools, here three-dimensional tool. Now this three-dimensional tool, this one sheet is having axis and plane. If you don't want it, you can remove the axis. If you don't want it, you can remove the plane also. I will make it a little bit small. Okay, now we have to get the height. For that, go for this one and go and find the midpoint of this triangle. Immediately you got the midpoint there also as D. Then go to this 3D graphics, go to this perpendicular line, touch this base and touch this D. You got a perpendicular line now. Well, now go to this view and go to this input bar. The input bar will come at the bottom. In the input bar, let us type a point capital H is equal to the x coordinate of capital D, which is the point which you have got now, y coordinate of capital D, and height HAGHT. The height is nothing but you know that it is a changing one. Now when I change this height, you are seeing on the right side, it is going on moving. Okay, now you got the base, now you got the height now. Let us try to get the pyramid now. Select the 3D graphics, go to this pyramid. What the pyramid tells? Select the polygon and select the top point. Select the polygon, got selected, and select the top point. You got it now. When I move this, you see, you are getting, when I move this, that also will get. Well, therefore now I can show the object, I can hide it also now. Suppose if I go and get this segment, if I join the top point and the D, it is coming in a dotted line. That dotted line which you are seeing is nothing but the height now. If you want to show it to the children about this, you can visualize it. The child now, he can visualize it by taking this ABC text. I am going for telling them. Okay, height I will put it somewhere here. Okay, a triangular pyramid has a triangular base and 3 triangular faces and 4 vertices and 6 edges. Now the child can come and he can visualize it. Click this, and then click this graphics. Click this. Now it will open one will get pop up. There you can have this rotation. You see, you can rotate it and then show it. In any way you can rotate. You see, the child can see it totally, that what are the base and what are the 3 different faces. Is it okay? You can stop it and put it somewhere here. Okay, well now I think this is one way of doing it. Okay, now you can move this a little bit. You can move this. You can move this a little bit. Okay. Okay. Good. Okay. Now what you can do is now you can go on exploring what are the other parts of it. Okay. Now let us go for it. Now, let us just make it a very small one so that it is very easy for you. We'll have some space to show what are the other things. Okay. Now there is one more option over here, that is, suppose if you are clicking it, there is one thing called grid. You see, you are having the net. Go to that net, simply touch it. You see, you got the net now. You got one. Okay, I will put it over here so that is easy for you. Okay, now you just make it as E is equal to 0, then E is equal to 0.1. You see, it is totally opening, and it tells you what it tells you. It is very simple. It is nothing but it's telling you the net of it. I think you know that everywhere we will be showing the net. It will be highly interesting for a child to understand what are the faces and all. Okay, now I am just leaving it. Okay, well now I think we can go to the next idea, that we can tell them that what is the surface area. The surface area is nothing but here in this case the sum of the areas of 4 faces. You can put it anywhere wherever space is there. For surface area is equal to sum of the area of the 4 faces. Okay, now how to get the area of the 4 faces? It is very simple. Go to this 3D graphics. Go to this ABC. It's very simple. Okay, now area of base. It is already there, being calculated by GeoGebra. It is ready. Now you know that it is a triangle. Therefore, it will be in T1. Got it? Okay, therefore area of the base you got. No need to worry about it. Now, now you have to go for area of, what are the bases? I think let us just have a clear idea. it will be BCH. Then we just rotate it a bit. Then if you rotate it a bit, then it will be if you rotate it a bit, then you can see the other one, ACH and so on. Okay, therefore area of the face. Okay. Let us go for area of the face now. Here go to this and then area of face BCH. Okay, is equal to, now here in the object you just come down here, you see face BCH, that's all, 26.6. no need to go anywhere, automatically you will get it. Okay, highly fantastic. Therefore you will get ACH is equal to, I'll go to this object, face ACH, you see 18.3. no need to go anywhere. I think we didn't take it properly. We will do it once again, no problem. ABC area, I'm just leaving it to you, it is very simple. Okay, I think you got it. I think most probably you got it. Okay, area of the ACH and you got the area of BCH. Okay, I'm putting escape so that I can move it. Okay, what is the other one? We want to see. Okay, ACH, BCH and ABH. Okay, is it okay now? Okay, let us go to the next one now. Okay, I will put it somewhere. Okay. I think I can rotate it wherever I want. I will rotate it and then keep it at a place. Okay, now next, what is the next area? You can go for the next area, ABH, the area of face ABH is equal to, now you just check out where is ABH, it is there. Okay, that's very simple. Now you can get the area of base, and all these four numbers are to be added up, but for the adding up you should be a bit careful. In the object it is given as face. You have to remember that. That's all, very simple. For example, if you want to, in the input, if you want to put capital S is equal to face FACE, then ACH, you see it is getting, color is changed into blue, which means that the number is available. Then area, face, all capital small letter FACE BCH, you see color is changed, you would be a little bit careful. Then FACE, then the next is ABH, okay, plus area of the basis, we know that it is T1. You see again color is changing, therefore just press enter. Therefore now calculation is already over. Therefore in the text box you go and then you type surface area is equal to, from the object, just now I have done that capital S, it will be on the top. Okay. Okay, here it is, 77.1. Okay, now the surface area, you got it. Okay, now what is the next one? We can have the volume. Then you can tell the volume to the children also. You think the children will be highly curious to know the volume. Volume is equal to, here it is having some latex formula. Therefore we will take this latex formula. Volume is equal to, okay, in 1 by 3. Therefore 1 by 3 multiplied by 1 by 3 means this is to be converted into 1, this is to be converted into 3, multiplied by, okay, base area. You know what is the base area, you have to remember that what is the number given to it, multiplied by the height, HEIGHT. Okay, now you got the formula now, volume ka formula. Now child can understand. Now how to get it the number now? Therefore capital V is equal to, very simple, 1 by 3, put it in the bracket, 1 by 3, put a star. What is the base area? T1. You see the T1 has become blue color. Then multiplied by, what is the variable for height? HEIGHT. Okay, very good. I think you just enter it. Volume has been calculated. Go to this ABC. Go to this, okay, here, go to this ABC. In that you type volume is equal to, go to this object. Just now I have done capital V. You search it. Somewhere here, I think. Here it is, capital. Okay, I got it. Okay, therefore you got the volume also now. Okay, where I think somewhere it went. Okay, once again, should we do? Okay, volume is equal to, I don't know where it went. Okay, you got it now. Volume is equal to 27.7. Okay, now you can ask the children now to come and change the height now. Okay, they can come and change the base area. Okay, now they can visualize it, how it gets changed. That they can change it, they can change it, they can change it, they can change the height, and they can visualize its how the faces are there. They can enjoy it now. Therefore, you can just put it at a particular spot, height at a particular spot, and then ask them to check actually what is the volume and what is the surface area and so on. Now you can ask them, there is one idea, very interesting idea. You can show it by rotating it also. Therefore, they can visualize the faces, they can visualize the vertices, they can visualize the edges. Highly interesting, interactive worksheet we have made for a triangular pyramid. Thank you. Let us learn to lead.